Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. Hope you enjoyed the other video. Teaching you education videos about hunting, fishing, boating, snaring, cooking and fixing things. In this video we'll be cooking mashed potatoes and gravy and hot dogs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you didn't already. Yeah, we'll get started on the video folks. Stay tuned. It's going to be very tasty. Thank you. Oh, look what we got cooking. Michael and Avril style.
Avril style.
Avril style. What you got there, Avril?
Gravy.
Cooking for kids. Gravy. What kind of meal are you gonna have?
I'm gonna mash a wiener with some mashed potato and put gravy in.
Oh, okay.
Like when you're a kid.
Oh, like when you're a kid? No, I didn't remember that.
No.
Good to share with the people.
That's
There you go. Got the gravy going. What's that gravy package? Let's see it. Show the people. We found this new gravy.
This is the one we use for everything because we need a lot of protein.
Yeah, we might make a poutine for you. Like you guys might know poutine and stuff, but young people they're learning how to cook. Good to educate them. Even the little simple meals. Oh, look at that boiling, folks. The gravy's ready. Yep, there's the gravy again. That's the gravy, poutine gravy. What's the next step you're gonna do? Put the gravy on. And she's putting some gravy. Oh, nice.
This is nice. It's kind of a little spicy too, the way I like it.
Then you get the hot dog. Add that boiling. How long you boiled it for? Roughly 10 minutes.
Till it's big.
Oh, till those are the hot dogs that when they boil they go big. Eh?
Yeah.
They pop it. Simple meal for your kids. Mothers, from a mother to another mother.
Never cut them like this for little kids. You gotta go like this, but this is mine.
Oh yeah.
When you
They
cut
might
them
choke,
for little
yeah?
kids, yeah, the discal gets choked. You'll go like that sideways,
Yeah.
or even better yet, just like really mash it up.
Mash it up, yeah.
Like how, you know.
To avoid
mash it so
kids
they
from
don't choke.
choking it.
Or even when you eat it with mashed potatoes, it's good. But this is hard.
From a mother to another mother.
This is for me though, so.
Yeah. For adults, you can just cut
Babies,
it up.
I'll cut it. I cut them and I cut it
Yeah.
like this way long.
Oh, little
Or-
small
or
baby,
Tories.
tiny newborns, eh?
Like
That's
this, I
starting to
cut
eat?
it. Like even Tori's
Whoa.
8 and I cut 8 and I
Oh,
cut it like
yeah.
this.
Yeah.
She won't choke.
Oh, it looks good, folks. There's the plate. Let me try one. Go another plate. I'll record you. Do an adult's plate.
That is my adult plate.
Oh, that is the adult plate.
There's one for a baby though.
Toddler, is it?
Yeah, it's yours. Wait.
That's yours.
Okay.
Looks good? You like hot dogs?
You're making a video right now?
Yeah, education video.
How do
Here,
we make those little
Hold this there.
octopus ones? Wait, they go.
Don't move, okay?
Let's see.
Yeah, don't move.
Don't move. Let's see if we can do an octopus. You go like this. You go like this. Michael, there's Michael's plate.
Octopus.
There we go.
Can I have it?
Yeah, wait. There.
Can I have
Hey,
it?
leave my plate.
Baby's plate. Cool.
Oh, 5 minutes now, folks.
Tori likes lots of
Yeah.
mashed potato, baby.
love mashed potatoes with gravy and
And wiener is your favorite.
Oh, nice. There's the... Yeah, there's the simple meal, folks. Avril style. And here's the other one here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Avril style. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you don't know how subscribes work, when you subscribe, when we make a new video, you'll get it right away. Just so you know how.
That's the notification bell.
And notification bell. Thank you.
Just